This is out of my comfort zone. All right, as you guys know, I've been using my channel as a way to springboard my modeling career. So today we're going to talk about this vintage Fjällräven jacket. I don't even know what it's called or how old it is. We're going to guess, but yeah, we're going to talk a little bit about that. Also, got a really interesting comment. So we're going to talk a little bit about that as well. But first, I gotta get my hair did. You might think, is this an expedition jacket? No, it's not. Is it like an Adidas sort of thing? No, it is not. It's still the same. But this jacket right here, we actually don't know where it's from. So if anybody knows, please hook us up in the comments. We believe that it's from 1977, 78. We're not sure. But these lines that are in leather, obviously, by the way, they are on some other jackets from that era. That's all we know. I believe it's something with Alpine or Alpine, but we're not sure. But I really want to show this jacket to you guys, so we're gonna make a quick run through of it. Here's when you want to adjust the opening around your wrist. Look at this thing right here. So cool. Take a look at the pockets. So it got kind of the same pockets as the expedition jacket, you know, just buttons. You open it, and then you have one here on the side as well. And then on the inside, have one here. Then you got, you know, standard zipper. This is not the usual zippers that we have these days with the brand, you know, the YKK. These ones, I don't know if they're Swedish or where they're from. This just says P. I don't know. Just a simple P right here. And you might think, well, what's with the leather stripes? Why wouldn't you have leather stripes? I'm just, you know. But that's it, you know, there's no other information that we can tell from this jacket. It was borrowed to me from a friend. His wife's dad got it back in the day sometime, or maybe his dad or parents, I don't know. You can see a little note here. This is just a little note regarding the down, and that it might come out feathers and stuff from here. That's pretty much it. All right, so here's an idea. If you guys have old stuff, like we're talking old stuff from Fjällräven or any other brand for that matter that you guys want to show or you want me to talk about, hit me up, find me on Instagram or whatever, write to me and we'll see what we can do, if we can fix something like that. It was really cool to bring these good old-fashioned wonderful things back to life and back to the light so we can see how it looks and how they are after all these years. It's like, what, 40 years something? Might be off on the math there. I know my buddy Frederick, he has a tent, a really old tent as well. I think he bought it in the, I don't know, late 80s or 90s something. So we're gonna have a look at that one as well. But yeah, this is awesome. Bro, I gotta ask you, you ever got your face waxed?
I actually don't know what that means, but
It's pretty funny because Fjällräven's founder, Åke Nordin, they quoted him and he said that fashion doesn't interest him. I don't know about these lines here, what kind of function they got though, but you know. Anyways, it's a cool jacket. When it comes to the tights, I think just wear whatever you're comfortable with. I love wearing tights, it's awesome. Walk around like Spider-Man all day. It's true. Yeah, it is. Tell you what, if you wear tights as a dude, you should send that picture to me on Instagram and I will post it on my Instagram. No weird photos, I will not post them, but you know, normal, nice photos, I will definitely post them. And to the 6% of the ladies that are on this channel, Yes, I checked. You can tell your boys or men, whatever, to send photos as well. You can encourage them to do that. That would be cool. Maybe we can start like a revolution. It's pretty funny. Fjällräven had the man in the Fjällräven shirt and all that stuff. Maybe I can be the man in the Fjällräven tights. That would be really weird, but also really nice. I'll take that title any day of the week. All right, catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, be safe, take care of each other. Subscribe, like, comment, all that kind of stuff. All right, let's go. I got a pack for next week. Next week we're going north and we're gonna do the review of the Expedition down jacket and a pair of gloves as well. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be probably one of the best reviews I've ever made. Probably. You never know, but probably. You good? Let's go.